Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Shadowing. My name is Vanessa.
And I'm Robert. Today, we're going to have a simple English conversation about ordering food at a restaurant.
This conversation uses easy English and common daily phrases.
Listen carefully and enjoy the conversation.
Robert, I am hungry. Do you want to eat lunch with me?
Yes, I do. I am very hungry today.
Great. There is a small restaurant near here.
That sounds good. Is the food good there?
Yes, the food is nice. The people are friendly too.
Perfect. I like friendly people and good food.
Me too. Let's go before the restaurant gets busy.
Good idea. I do not want to wait too long.
Here we are. This restaurant looks warm and clean.
Yes, it does. I can smell soup from outside.
Oh, that smells really good. I think I want soup now.
You always change your mind when you smell food.
That is true. My nose chooses my lunch.
My stomach chooses my lunch. It is very loud today.
I heard it a little. Don't worry, we will order soon.
Thank you. My stomach says thank you too.
Let's find a table. Do you want to sit by the window?
Yes, please. I like to look outside while I eat.
This table is nice. We can sit here.
Great. The chairs are comfortable too.
Here is the menu. There are many choices.
I see rice, noodles, salad, soup, and sandwiches.
I like this menu. The pictures help me a lot.
Me too. Sometimes I choose food by looking at the pictures.
That is easy and safe, but pictures can make me too hungry.
Same here. Everything looks delicious right now.
What do you want to drink first?
Maybe iced tea. It sounds fresh and simple.
I think I will have water. I want something light.
Water is a good choice. I should drink more water too.
You can order both. One water and one iced tea.
Maybe yes, but then I will have too many cups.
Too many cups is not a big problem.
True, but I need space for my food.
Look, the waiter is coming. Are you ready to order drinks?
Yes, I am ready. Drinks are easy.
I will start. Hi, can I have a glass of water, please?
And can I have an iced tea, please?
Thank you. We need a few more minutes for the food.
Yes, please. There are many good choices.
Now, let's choose the main food. Do you want noodles?
Maybe the chicken noodles look very good.
They do, but the rice with beef also looks nice.
Oh no, now I want both.
You cannot eat everything on the menu, Robert.
I can try, but I may need a long nap after lunch.
A lunch nap sounds nice, but first, choose one meal.
Okay, I will choose the chicken noodles.
Good choice. I think I will order the vegetable soup and bread.
That sounds healthy. Are you sure you don't want fries?
I do want fries, but I also want to feel good after lunch.
That is smart. Maybe we can share a small plate of fries.
Now that is a good idea. Sharing fries is always nice.
Yes, sharing fries makes people happy.
Do you want anything spicy?
No, thank you. I like a little spice, but not too much.
Same for me. I don't want my mouth to feel like fire.
One time I ate very spicy soup. I drank 3 glasses of water.
Only 3 glasses? That sounds like a strong soup.
It was too strong for me. I could not speak for 5 minutes.
That is funny. Maybe today we should stay safe.
Yes, safe food is best today.
The waiter is coming back. Let's order slowly and clearly.
Good plan. I will not panic this time.
You panic when you order food?
Sometimes, yes, I forget the name of the food.
That happens to many people. You can point to the menu.
Yes, pointing is very helpful. My finger speaks restaurant English.
That is a funny idea. Your finger has good pronunciation.
Thank you. It practiced all morning.
Hi, we are ready to order now.
I would like the chicken noodles, please.
Can I have the vegetable soup and some bread, please?
And can we have one small plate of fries to share?
Also, not too spicy, please.
Yes, please. Just a little spice is okay.
Thank you very much.
That was easy. I did not forget the food name.
You did great. Your stomach can relax now.
Not yet. It will relax when the food arrives.
Fair enough. Restaurants teach us to wait.
Waiting is hard when the food smells so good.
Look at that table. Their noodles look delicious.
I think those are my noodles. Well, not mine yet.
Be patient. Your noodles are coming soon.
I am trying. I am a polite, hungry person.
That is a good type of person.
Thank you. I try to be kind, even when I am hungry.
Here come our drinks. My water looks cold and fresh.
And my iced tea looks perfect. Thank you.
Do you like sweet drinks?
Sometimes, yes, but not too sweet.
I agree. Too much sugar makes me tired.
Me too. After a very sweet drink, I want to sleep.
You already wanted a nap after lunch.
That is true. Maybe I just like naps.
Naps are not bad, but first we need lunch.
Yes, food first, nap later.
Our food is here. This soup looks so good.
My chicken noodles look amazing. I am very happy.
The fries look hot. Be careful.
Yes, I will wait a little. I do not want to burn my mouth.
Good. I will try the soup first.
How is it? Does it taste good?
Yes, it is warm and tasty. The vegetables are soft.
Nice. I will try my noodles now.
How are they?
They are really good. The chicken is soft and the noodles are not too spicy.
Great. That was the right order for you.
Yes, it was. I feel proud of my choice.
Would you like some bread with my soup?
Yes, please. I can give you some noodles too.
Thank you. Sharing food is fun.
Yes, and it helps us try more food.
These fries are ready now. Do you want one?
Of course, fries are always welcome.
Here you go. Careful, they are still warm.
Thank you. This fry is very good.
The outside is crisp, the inside is soft.
You sound like a food judge.
Maybe I am. I give this fry a big smile.
That is a very fair score.
Do you usually order the same food at restaurants?
Often, yes. I like safe choices.
I understand. I like to try new food sometimes.
That is brave. I need a friend to help me choose.
I can help. I can say, try it, Robert.
And I can say, are you sure, Vanessa?
Then we can share it. If it is bad, we laugh.
Yes, and then we order fries.
Fries can save any meal.
That should be a restaurant rule.
Do you eat dessert after lunch?
Sometimes, yes, I like cake or ice cream.
I like ice cream too, but I am getting full.
Same here, maybe no dessert today.
Maybe we can have coffee instead,
Good idea. Coffee is nice after lunch.
but not too strong for me. I still have work later.
I will have a small coffee too. I want to stay awake.
Are you sure? You were planning a nap.
A small coffee can help my nap dreams.
That is not how coffee works, Robert.
Maybe not, but it sounds nice.
Let's ask for the bill first. Then we can decide.
Yes, good idea. We should check the price.
Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?
And can we also have 2 small coffees, please?
Oh, you ordered the coffee already.
Yes, I was brave. Very brave.
Then I will drink mine slowly.
That is smart. Slow coffee is better than sleepy coffee.
The bill is here. The price looks okay?
Yes, it is not too expensive.
Let's split the bill. Is that okay?
Yes, of course. That is easy.
I can pay for the soup and half of the fries.
And I can pay for the noodles and the other half.
What about the coffee?
I ordered the coffee so I can pay for both.
That is kind. Thank you, Robert.
You're welcome. It is my coffee surprise.
This was a nice lunch. I liked the food and the place.
Me too. I would come back here again.
Next time, maybe you can try the beef rice.
Maybe, yes. But the chicken noodles may call my name.
You and the noodles are good friends now.
Yes, we have a strong lunch friendship.
That's our conversation for today.
Tell us your answer in the comments.
What do you usually order at a restaurant?
Try to write 1 or 2 simple English sentences.
If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.
Thank you for watching Easy English Shadowing.
See you in the next video.
Goodbye and enjoy your next meal.